You've probably heard about social media management tools. They allow you to schedule tweets, Facebook posts, and Instagram posts. However, what if you want to schedule your content across different social media platforms? Obviously, you would need a social media management tool that supports multiple platforms. This blog discusses Creasquare, an AI-powered social media content management software that makes it easy for businesses to schedule content on multiple social media platforms. What is Creasquare? Introducing Creasquare, an all-in-one platform that enables users to create captivating content, generate compelling captions with AI-powered assistance, and seamlessly schedule posts on various social media platforms. This innovative solution is designed to help individuals and businesses optimize their social media marketing efforts and enhance their online presence. With Creasquare, users can access a wide range of tools and features to create visually appealing content that resonates with their target audience. The platform's AI-powered caption generator helps users craft engaging and persuasive captions that grab attention and increase engagement. Additionally, Creasquare's scheduling feature allows users to plan and publish their posts across multiple social media channels, ensuring optimal timing and maximum visibility. In today's competitive digital landscape, a strong social media presence is essential for individuals and businesses looking to stand out from the crowd. Creasquare provides a comprehensive, user-friendly solution that simplifies the content creation and scheduling process, enabling users to focus on other critical aspects of their business. With Creasquare, you can effectively manage your social media presence and achieve your marketing goals with ease. The fastest way to make social media content, all in one platform to create content, generate captions with AI, and schedule your posts on social media. Set up your digital marketing for success. Creasquare is an AI-powered platform that makes it easy to create graphic designs, videos, and copywriting content. Schedule your content all your social media platforms, all in one place. Social media integrations. Creative Studio. Create and manage your assets directly in Creasquare. Creative Studio. Create and manage your assets directly in Creasquare. Create images and videos from thousands of templates, animations, royalty-free photos, videos, and music. Set up your brand kit with your logo, colors, fonts, and you're ready to go. AI Content Writer. Our AI Content Writer creates captions with dozens of templates in any language, tone, and creativity level. Generate SEO-driven content that is 100% authentic. Results are saved and organized as projects that are easy to reuse. Scheduling and publishing. Save yourself the hassle and time wasted of publishing on each social media platform. With our tool, you can schedule your publications in batches everywhere with a few clicks, and when the time comes, they'll be automatically published. Isn't life grand? Content Calendar. We know how much time goes into planning your content, and it's essential to get the right tools to achieve your goals. Our content calendar keeps you organized and productive. Visualize all your upcoming posts so you can give them one last look before it's published. Creasquare Overview. Creasquare is an AI-powered software that makes it easy to create and schedule content across all your social media platforms. Creasquare has a huge library of design elements, fonts, colors, backgrounds, and layouts, so you get everything you need to create stunning content. Access over 100,000 colorful and polished templates that you can modify to match your brand's vibe. There's no need to start from scratch. Just choose from over 1 million free images and videos to make content in a snap. Need to make edits? You can remove the background of any image or resize your assets in one click. Based on GPT-3, the AI Content Writer generates captions, hashtags, and product descriptions in over 20 languages. With different combinations of use cases and tones, the algorithm can create content catered to your target audience. Use the AI Writer templates to whip up TikTok video scripts, LinkedIn posts, and Google Ads optimized for search engines. All your generated content is automatically saved on Creasquare, so you can organize, edit, and repurpose it for later. With Creasquare's social media scheduler, you'll be able to schedule posts to share automatically on any platform. That's because this tool supports third-party integrations with popular platforms like Instagram, LinkedIn, YouTube, TikTok, and Facebook. You can also optimize your content with first comment scheduling, thumbnails, mobile previews, and more. With the calendar feature, you'll get a bird's eye view of all your upcoming posts. Now you can reschedule, delete, and organize content in multiple workspaces on a simple, color-coded calendar. Best of all, Creasquare factors in different time zones, so your posts go live at the perfect time for your target audience. Lifetime access to Creasquare. All future professional plan updates. 60-day money-back guarantee. Unlimited scheduling. Unlimited Creative Studio. Background removal. Automatic resize. Brand kits. Social media platforms. Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, LinkedIn, and YouTube, all future integrations. Instagram and LinkedIn carousels. Instagram Reels. Visual layout of planned posts. CSV, PDF, and Excel exports. YouTube Shorts. Custom report download. AI word writing tool 5K words per month. You shouldn't have to be online 24/7 just to post on social media at the perfect time. Thankfully, Creasquare has everything you need to create, schedule, and scale your social media posts across multiple platforms. Create winning content every time. Why are you late? Get lifetime access to Creasquare today. One-time purchase of only $39.